Ginpapanas ang House Committee on Justice sa mga komento ni Sagip Representative Paulo Marcoleta nga nagka-question sang kredibilidad sang resource person nga si Ramil Madriaga. Si Madriaga mo ginaligar nga bagman ni Vice President Sara Duterte nga ginpanginwala naman ni Sara. Gina-insister ni Marcoleta nga hindi bastante ang testimonya sang witness bangod uncorroborated kag halin pa sa isa ka detained criminal suspect. Apang nanindugan si Representative Jervy Luistro, ang chairperson sang panel, nga ang stage nga ini sa Kamara ang makabig panamang nga clarificatory hearing para sa probable cause kag hindi pa mismo ang trial kung sa diin ginausisa kag ginapadalma na ang kredibilidad sang testigo. Nabaluan nga sa pagsulod ni Madriaga kahapon, ginpapungko man ini sa tupad ni Marcoleta apang ginmando ni Luistro nga saylohon ini sa lain nga pulungkuan nga tupad naman sa iban nga resource persons.
Suspect containing sweeping and unverified allegations of
You are
assassination.
touching again on the credibility of the resource person. With all due respect, Honorable Marcoleta.
Madam Chair, I move to strike from the records the remarks of Representative Marcoleta
There is a
pertaining to the
motion to
credibility
strike
of the
out from
witness.
the record pertaining to the statements pertaining to the credibility of the witness. Is there any second? Same has been seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Please strike out from the record all statements of the Honorable Marcoleta pertaining to the credibility of resource person Ramil Madriaga.
Baka po walang matira doon, mama. Sana yung final lang kasi
Please
Wala nang-
understand
at
that
least the
issues
Filipino
concerning
people are watching kahit
credibility
na pina-strike out niyo yung mga
must be
statements ko.
raised in the trial
Ma'am,
and not in this clarificatory
when you were
hearing.
interviewed before the media, ma'am, sinabi nyo you're here to test the credibility
Please
of the
confine
witness.
your
Madam Chair,
manifestation
point of
to what
order.
is happening in this proceeding.
Madam Chair, point
The
of
Honorable
order.
Diaz Suarez.
Are you backpedaling?
With the permission of Congressman Marcoleta, I think we've given the gentleman enough and sufficient time.
Nabalian ang kabainsang natabok kahapon sa hearing sang House Justice Committee.